Wow! Look at that crispy, cheesy sandwich. Our kiddo already can't take his eyes off it. Hello, this is Mama Bear. Today, Papa Bear is making a warm ham and cheese sandwich for our family. First, he trims the bread into neat squares and spreads a thin layer of butter on one side. He places the buttered side down in a lightly oiled pan and slowly toasts it over low heat. While the first side is cooking, he spreads another thin layer of butter on top. Then he flips the bread and keeps toasting until both sides are golden and crispy. That buttery smell is already bringing our kiddo closer to the kitchen. Meanwhile, Papa Bear mixes mayonnaise, ranch dressing, sugar, and black pepper into a quick, creamy sauce. He spreads it over the bread, adds cheddar cheese, and covers the pan briefly to help it melt. But one kind of cheese is never enough when our kiddo is watching. Next come nutty Emmental cheese, fresh arugula, chicken breast ham, and jambon. Papa Bear finishes the sandwich with the second crispy slice of bread, and it's ready. Crispy on the outside, warm and cheesy inside. With a fresh, peppery bite from the arugula. Our kiddo can enjoy his with warm milk, while Papa Bear and I have ours with coffee. How about making one with your family this weekend?